day everyone, now I'm here to show some of historical landmarks here at my hometown, San Jose City, Nueva Ecija. Now, we are here at the Municipal Hall of San Jose City, Nueva Ecija. You know that originally San Jose was a part of Pungkan, but later on, because it is more nearer to Lubao, it was made a barrio of Lacder. Before, San Jose was known as Cabaritan, derived from Barit, an Ilocano word for plant that belonged to Ratan family. Cabaritan means the place where Barit grew in abundance, before it becoming an independent town in 1894 and renamed San Jose to give honor of its patron, Saint Joseph. So, San Jose was known as a Christmas capital of Nueva Ecija. And yearly, there is a lighting ceremony when Christmas are near. And now, I'm going to give you guys a quick tour here at San Jose City Social Circle, or also known as Kekik, wherein the lighting ceremony takes place, and I'm going to show you some of the decoration of it. So, as you can see sa video, merong rice plant na decoration dyan. Ang San Jose ay isang city sa Nueva Ecija, and it is the symbol to show that Nueva Ecija is the rice granary of the Philippines. Ayan, papunta naman tayo ngayon sa isang landmark na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Dito naman tayo sa isa pang historical landmark dito sa San Jose, which is the Tayabo Nature Park. Ang Tayabo ay nanggaling sa Ilocano word na tayab, na ang ibig sabihin ay ilog kung saan maraming isda. Ang dating tawag dito ay Diamond Park. It is a man-made park that is made for picnics for family, friends, and even with your partner. There is a pool, playground, hanging bridge, and 100-step stair that gives an access to see the breathtaking view of mountains and river that is called Campo Cuatro. It is located below the Tayabo Nature Park. And handa na ba kayong malaman kung ano ang mga pangyayari dito noong unang panahon? Bago ko sabihin sa inyo, ipapakita ko muna yung mga pwede nyong puntahan. So first is yung pool for kids and adult, and playground na sure na mag-e-enjoy yung kids, and the 100-step stairs. And ayan, makikita ninyo, napakaganda ng view. Marami talaga ang mga namamasyal dito dahil napaka-relaxing ng place, and ang babayaran lang dito ay yung parking fee. So, alam nyo ba na dati ang Tayabo ay pinagkampuhan ng mga Hapon dahil na lamang sa maraming mga likas na yaman ang nasa lugar, at habang ang mga Hapon ay namamalagi dito ay ginamit din nila ang Tayabo para sa kanilang paghahunting ng wild animals and even treasures. Ngayon, papunta naman tayo sa ating last destination for today. At yun yung sa San Roque, yung dating station ng train. Ayan, ngayon andito naman tayo sa lugar kung saan nakatayo ang dating station ng train sa San Jose. The Philippine National Railways, or known before as Manila Railroad Company, used to have a branch line northwards from Tutuban, Manila, and branches out from the main line in Tarlac City going to San Jose City. The Tarlac to San Jose line, which served the towns of Gimba, Muñoz, and San Jose, was initially constructed in the 1920s and opened for public in 1939. So bakit nga ba nawala ang train station dito sa San Jose? It's because when the current President Cory Aquino in year 1988 granted the land for the poor families in exchange of a very minimal amount of money to build their houses, and that's when the North Main Line was closed and subsequently dismantled. The old station of San Jose are located along San Roque Street in Barangay Aberpers, and being the habitat of many families. Ayan yung dating itsura ng station nung ito ay nag-ooperate pa. And that's all for my vlog. Hope you like it, guys. Bye!